Okay guys, so what we have seen here is my ZX-6R 25. So I think something's missing with my bike. So we have what we call is winglets. Yeah, I found it in Taobao. Just arrived yesterday. Okay, this is how it's look. Right, so I think it's installed like this. Right, so the shape will be like this. Seems like CBR, triple R winglets. So we remove all these clips first before we install the winglets. So we got one, two. We remove these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So actually we have 8. So last time I already opened this thing, then I remove all these 2 clips. So we all have 6 clips only. So this is pretty easy. Just push it down, right, all the way, push it down. I should pedal this bike. Right, so another one is okay. Right, so bring it up first. Oh, this one we got 7. Press the low. This clip, this one like this clip. This clip just push it down, and then you can remove this clip. So when you want to install, pull it back and then push it down, so it's locked like this. Right, so remove all these clips. I think your nail must be long enough to get this thing out. Until my nail like this, so you can remove this. Shit. So we have removed this inner. So this one we got access to install the screw for the winglets. Right, so this one the inner. So you want to remove it, you need to push it back. Right, you see this clip, you push it back and then bring it down. So basically this one also will be loosened. Right, so in the package we have these 2 clips, right, these 2 clips and the primer for double tape installation. So I remove this. So these clips, remove all these screws and these spacers, and then this clip install underneath here. Yes, where the first, second clip. Right, so the second clip we change to this screw. So we just need the clip, right? So before you install, you make space for it. Okay, so we install this back. Buat YouTube channel bahasa Inggeris tu. Oh. Alright, so once we install this back, then we change this clip to this screw here. Right, so this one is installed here. Position like that. Alright. Okay, so we install it like this. Screw here, put underneath. So the screw like this, and the washer like this. Okay. Right. So this is how it look after we install ZX-6R winglets. Easy installation. You can find it in Taobao or Shopee. All this is double tape. Then put it back, screw, clips, all good.